All right, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here with Only Wood Floors. I feel like Steve Harvey from the, what is that, the Family Feud. We got a good one for you today. This thing is going to be the before and after. Let me turn this around. This original hardwood floor, about 5 minutes from my house over here in the city of Orange, where I live. So I came over here to get this video. But either the homeowners did it years ago or they just hired the wrong people. The blotchiness, that's what's going to make this such a great before and after video. You can see the quarter-sawn oak here that you will be able to see it, but you can see the discolorization right there. It's from the bad, you know, all of it. The blotchiness is all from the way they sanded the floor. Like you can see the lights and the dark areas. Throughout. Look at that right here. You see that? Yep. Check these bedrooms out. Same thing. You can see almost where they stopped the sander, and it's just it actually makes me dizzy. But it also makes me excited because I know how beautiful it's going to be once I turn that big bad boy on. Yes. It's like, I should call it a Hercules. So, all right, get ready. Give me 2 hours and I'm going to make another video.